Hello family and friends, and welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad that you're joining me today. I have some really important information to share with you. If you're new to this channel, I'm Lonnie and welcome. Just to give you a little bit of quick background, I was in July of 2024 diagnosed with stage 3B chronic kidney disease. And in 3 months, I was able to reverse it. And not only that, bring all my markers down to within a very normal range and lost weight, which I hadn't been able to do in decades. And that whole event started me on this journey. And I have been learning so much information. It's really kind of overwhelming. But I got curious. I thought, boy, I couldn't get Mounjaro. I was trying to get on Mounjaro and they wouldn't let me have it. And my doctor even wrote a letter to the insurance company stating why he felt that I should get it. And that was really a blessing because in 3 months, I accomplished what I was wanting, what my body needed to have done. And there are no repercussions or side effects or anything. Had I taken Mounjaro, they're still uncovering things that are happening, and that would have been chemicals in my body. So as disappointed as I was at the time, hindsight, I'm grateful. And that has led me on this journey. And I was taking supplements because I had shifted my whole diet. And then I began to learn about the supplement industry and how they are outright, they're just lying to us. I learned that there are companies that will put, great turmeric on their products, and there's no turmeric in it. Or there's a lot of fillers. They're using poor quality herbs and spices so that what they're putting in their products contains mold, toxins from pesticides, metals. I mean, it's just crazy what's going on out there. So I had to share this with you. In fact, I actually had a product I was going to review and share with you, but as I was doing the research, I couldn't get some answers that I needed. So I'm not going to share the product with you today, but I do want to give you this information. And I have my notes I had to go through because there's a lot, and I am just learning so much. It's almost more than I can absorb. So I need to make sure I get my facts straight and that I don't mix up information. But, I have learned that with the supplement industry, there is really a lack of regulation. There's really, manufacturers are not required to provide their products are safe or effective or accurate in their labeling before it hits the market. How can they not do that? Anyway, most of the monitoring is done post-market, which does not make sense at all. Like I just shared with you, there's contaminations in the products, heavy metals like lead, arsenic, mercury. Anyway, they use fillers and additives, fillers that can cause allergens, and there's gluten and lactose. There's unlisted ingredients in a lot of the products that are out there, and they're not on the labels. So this industry is doing us a lot of harm. They're misleading. Okay, I've got to read this to you because I want to make sure that I get it 100% straight. So, a study in 2013 found that nearly 80% of herbal supplements from certain brands didn't contain the advertised herbs or were mixed with unlisted substances. Okay, so now I wanted to know, what is this 2013 study that they're talking about? Well, it was done by a university of Guelph. I'm struggling here. Gulfin, I think it's Gulfin, in Ontario, Canada. And it was led by a Dr. Stephen Newmaster. And his findings were published in the BMC Journal, which is a biomedical journal. And that is a peer review of general medicine. So the study details are: the purpose was to test the authenticity and purity of herbal supplements available in the marketplace. The method: they researched using DNA barcoding technology to analyze 44 herbal products from 12 different companies. And the key findings: nearly 80% of the supplements tested contained none of the herbs listed on the label, or were contaminated with fillers, allergens, or potentially harmful substances. And the examples included herbal supplements that lacked the advertised ingredient, products with unlisted fillers like rice, wheat, and soy, contamination with substances that could cause allergic reactions. And the implications: the study raised serious concerns about the quality control of herbal supplements and emphasized the need for stronger regulatory oversight and more reliable labeling practices in the supplement industry. So, what can you do? Well, there is third-party, third-party testing. And that's where I kind of got a little derailed with what I was going to present to you today, because they say that they are third-party tested, but I don't know who is doing the testing. And I sent an email. I haven't gotten a response. So then I tried to call, but the call keeps going to an automated system, and they want you to leave your name and number. You can't seem to get a hold of anybody. It's just real sketchy to me. And I did look up a few other companies that I have learned are reputable. And I was able to find where they're located, where their corporate office is, if they have any other offices, phone numbers on how to get a hold of them, their sales offices, their customer service. They have phone numbers, they have email addresses. And I feel a lot more confident with that than what I'm dealing with now, where I can't seem to get a hold of anybody, nor am I getting a response. So I don't want to put that product out there that I don't want to represent a company like that. So until I get some answers, that company is on hold with me. But there are certifications that you can look for on your supplements. So there is a USP, which is a United States Pharmacopoeia, is what it is. And they are an independent, science-based organization, and they do not manufacture or sell supplements or medicine. So they're completely independent. They have no purpose or reason to be able to make sure somebody gets approved if they're not meeting the requirements. Another one is NSF International. It's also a highly reputable organization that provides certifications for dietary supplements, food products, water systems, and consumer goods. They were founded in 1944, totally independent. Again, they don't sell any of the products or are related to any of them in any way. And the third one that's really noticeable is Consumer Lab, and they're trustworthy. Same thing. They review vitamins, supplements, health products, and they are third party. Again, they have absolutely no association with any products, nor will they accept any funding from any companies whose products they are testing, which really, now that I'm a little more educated, anytime I buy a supplement, I've had to throw out a whole lot. But now that I know, I'm going to look for one of those 3 certifications that should be on the bottle. And then, you know, you're confident that you're getting a good quality product. But, you know, if you're dealing with a reputable brand, often they're going to be sourcing high quality ingredients. They're going to go through testing. They're going to be transparent. But your off-brand supplements, they're going to be cutting corners because all they're looking for is to make money. And they're the ones that are going to use fillers. They're not going to put the product that they're claiming on their label in the box. It just blows my mind that people would do that. Anyway, some supplements have synthetic forms of minerals or vitamins, and they're less effective. They don't absorb into the body the way natural ingredients do. So it's another thing. You've really got to be careful with this stuff. Let's see. You can research your brands. Choose brands that disclose their testing results or source ingredients transparency. Stick to well-known stores and suppliers with a reputation for quality. Check for the certifications like USP and NSF. Talk to your doctor or a dietitian. But, you know, and focus on whole foods. And that's where I made a big difference in my health, is you know, again, being naive, I went along with what the packaging was telling me, you know, eating healthy and eating right, the frozen foods, and I'd buy them and throw them in the microwave, not realizing that these foods were highly processed, stripped of good nutrients, and this is what my big problem was. And once I nailed, you know, what it was that was affecting my health, then I was able to eliminate it. And it meant cooking, so I had to get a little creative and start learning how to make healthy recipes, which we are growing a lot of our produce, so that gets really exciting. And it's really exciting to be able to go out into your own garden, pull your produce, and then take it home and be able to make a meal out of it that's really tasty. So I'll be sharing that with you too. But I went through and pulled up some of the supplemental companies and took a look at them. So there's one that is athlete and fitness focused supplements, and Clean Athlete is a company that is NSF and ISO certified both, which means that they certify in-house, but they also go to a third party. So they're making sure that their third party backs up what it is that they're doing in-house. So I kind of like that. I thought that was really cool. Nature's Way is another one. They are NSF and they are ISO as well. And they have good herbal and natural supplements. There are 2 for omega-3 and fish oils, which is Nordic Naturals. They are NSF certified. And Carlson Labs, they are, this one, I'm not as knowledgeable about, but Carlson Labs has FOS certification, which is Friend of the Sea. So I don't know, I haven't done the research in to find out what that is all about. But, and here's one that caught me off guard. Kirkland from Costco. They are USP certified vitamins and minerals, and they're a brand that you can trust and easy to get. So Kirkland Signature Brands, might want to check them out. Another one was Nature Made, and they are USP certified as well. So, you know, when you're looking to purchase supplements of any kind, do look for the USP, the NSF, or Consumer Lab certification. And you want to be able to steer clear of those that are promoting results that are too good to be true. I call them snake oil salesmen. Anyway, so I hope this helped you. If you'll just be sure to look at your supplements, use ones that have the certifications, then you know you're going to be getting a good quality. Otherwise, throw them out, because you're getting nothing but fillers or toxins in your system, and that is detrimental to your health. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and come back and see what I have to share with you next time. I am right now only posting once a month because I've got so much that I'm trying to build on for this new path and direction, new journey that I'm on. And this channel is going to become more about wholeness and wellness and the things that I am learning. And like I said, I'm a baby at this. I just started learning all this stuff July of 2024. So I still have a lot to learn, but man, in this short period of time, I have learned that the food industry is lying to us, the medical industry is lying to us, the pharmaceutical industry is lying to us, and it boggles my mind that they're allowed to get away with the things that they're doing. But we'll go into depth on those things in another video. But right now, I really felt it was important to get to you the information that I learned about the supplements and the products that are out there, the ones that you need to steer clear of. Take a look at your cabinets, and if they're not certified, do throw them out. Your health is going to benefit from it. And then buy reputable supplements that have the certifications. So anyway, you have a wonderful, gorgeous day, and I will see you at the end of February, and make it a gorgeous day every day. Bye.